The grocery budget shock, a common story. Have you ever gone to the grocery store with the intention of just picking up a few things only to leave with a shockingly high bill? You are not alone. Many people experience this. It's a common scenario that highlights the importance of smart grocery shopping. Grocery shopping can take a big bite out of your budget if you are not careful. But don't worry, there are many practical tips and tricks you can use to save money. This guide will give you the knowledge to shop smart and keep more money in your pocket. The first step to mastering budget grocery shopping is understanding the problem. Many people overspend on groceries without realizing it. They might buy impulsively or not pay attention to prices. This can lead to a big difference between their expected and actual spending. By understanding how much they can realistically spend on groceries, shoppers can start making changes. One of the biggest mistakes is not having a plan. Going to the store without a list often leads to impulse purchases. These unplanned purchases add up quickly and can bust your budget. A well-planned shopping list is essential. It acts as a roadmap as you navigate the aisles. This helps you stay focused and avoid buying things you don't need. Stores are designed to encourage spending. Understanding these tactics can help you resist impulse buys. The power of planning, conquering your shopping list. A well-thought-out shopping list is your most powerful weapon in the battle against grocery overspending. It is more than just a list of items. It is a strategic plan. Before you even think about hitting the store, take some time to plan. Look through your pantry and refrigerator. Make note of what you already have and what you need. Plan your meals for the week, factoring in your schedule and preferences. This way, you'll only buy what you need and reduce food waste. Organize your shopping list by category, grouping similar items together. This simple step can save you time and prevent you from backtracking in the store. It also makes it easier to compare prices and spot deals. Feel free to adjust it based on your needs and any tempting sales or discounts you come across. The key is to have a plan and stick to it as much as possible. Mastering the art of smart shopping sales, coupons, and more. Smart shopping is about being resourceful and maximizing your savings. One of the best ways to do this is to become a savvy sale shopper. Keep an eye out for weekly flyers and online advertisements from your local grocery stores. Pay attention to sales cycles. Stock up on essential items when they are discounted. Coupons are another powerful tool in your budget grocery shopping arsenal. They can significantly reduce the price of your favorite products. Check newspapers, magazines, and online coupon websites for manufacturer coupons. Many grocery stores also have their own coupon apps or digital coupons you can clip to your loyalty card. Don't be afraid to explore different grocery stores in your area. Each store has its own pricing strategies and promotions. You might find that certain items are consistently cheaper at one store compared to another. Consider shopping around and comparing prices before you commit to a particular store. Be open to trying different brands or varieties if they are on sale or if you have a coupon. Unit price. Wisdom, decoding value for your money. Have you ever wondered why some products seem cheaper than others, even though they are different sizes? The answer lies in understanding unit pricing. Unit price is the cost of a product per standard unit of measurement, such as per ounce, per pound, or per item. It allows you to compare the prices of different brands and sizes accurately. Many grocery stores display unit prices on their shelves, usually in smaller print below the regular price. Take the time to compare the unit prices of similar products. You might be surprised to find that the larger size is not always the best deal. Sometimes buying smaller quantities can be more cost-effective, especially for items you don't use frequently. Calculating unit prices yourself can be helpful, especially when comparing products with different units of measurement. A simple formula is to divide the total price by the quantity to get the unit price. This allows you to make informed decisions and ensure you are getting the most value for your money. By making informed choices based on unit price, you can accumulate significant savings over time. Loyalty programs and rewards, unveiling hidden savings. Don't underestimate the power of loyalty programs. Many grocery stores offer loyalty cards or programs that reward you for your repeat business. These programs often provide discounts, points, or cash back on your purchases. Signing up is usually free and only takes a few minutes. It can lead to substantial savings in the long run. Before you choose a loyalty program, compare the benefits offered by different stores. Some programs provide personalized discounts based on your shopping habits. Others offer fuel rewards or discounts at partner retailers. Choose a program that aligns with your needs and preferences. Once you are enrolled in a loyalty program, make sure to use it every time you shop. Present your card or provide your phone number at checkout to earn rewards. Keep track of your points or cashback balance. Redeem your rewards regularly to maximize your savings. Loyalty programs are a win-win situation. Navigating the grocery store maze: strategic shopping secrets. Grocery stores are designed to entice you to spend more. From the layout of the aisles to the placement of products, every detail is carefully orchestrated. However, by understanding their tactics, you can navigate the grocery store maze strategically and avoid falling prey to impulse buys. One common tactic is placing essential items like milk and bread at the back of the store. This forces you to walk past tempting displays and increases the likelihood of impulse purchases. Resist the urge to deviate from your shopping list and head straight for the items you need. Another trick is placing premium brands at eye level. Stores know that shoppers are more likely to notice and purchase products that are easily within their line of sight. Don't be afraid to look up or down to compare prices and find more affordable alternatives. Stick to your shopping plan and avoid being swayed by these marketing ploys. Brand loyalty versus budget. Finding the right balance. Brand loyalty can be a double-edged sword when it comes to budget grocery shopping. While it's great to have your favorite brands, sometimes sticking to them religiously can prevent you from saving money. It's important to strike a balance between brand loyalty and budget consciousness. Consider trying generic or store brand products for items where brand loyalty is not as crucial. Store brands are often manufactured in the same facilities as name brands but sold at a lower price. You might be surprised to find that the quality is comparable, and your taste buds won't even notice the difference. However, there are certain products where brand name might be worth the extra cost. If you have specific dietary needs or preferences, you might find that certain brands offer a wider selection or higher quality. It's all about finding the right balance for your needs and budget. Experiment with different brands and compare prices. You might discover new favorites that are easier on your wallet. Remember, saving money doesn't mean sacrificing quality. Meal planning is a game changer when it comes to budget grocery shopping. It not only helps you create delicious and nutritious meals, but also stretches your grocery budget further by reducing food waste and minimizing impulse purchases. Start by planning your meals for the week, considering your schedule, dietary needs, and preferences. Look for recipes that use similar ingredients to minimize waste and streamline your shopping list. Get creative with your meal planning and don't be afraid to try new recipes or cuisines. Once you have your meals planned, create a detailed shopping list based on the ingredients you need. Group similar items together and check your pantry and refrigerator to avoid buying duplicates. Having a plan in place will help you stay focused and resist temptations at the grocery store. Meal planning also allows you to take advantage of leftovers. Instead of throwing away uneaten food, get creative and repurpose it into new meals. The possibilities are endless. Don't let leftovers go to waste. Leftovers are a treasure trove of savings opportunities. With a little creativity, you can transform those seemingly insignificant scraps into delicious and budget-friendly meals. One of the easiest ways to use up leftovers is to incorporate them into your next day's lunch or dinner. Pack leftover grilled chicken or fish over a salad, stuff it into pita bread for a quick wrap, or toss it with pasta for a satisfying meal. Leftover vegetables can be added to soups, stews, or omelets for extra flavor and nutrition. You can also puree them into dips or spreads or use them as pizza toppings. Get creative with your leftovers and don't be afraid to experiment. Saving money and being environmentally conscious go hand in hand. By making sustainable choices at the grocery store, you can reduce your environmental impact while also stretching your budget further. One simple way to shop sustainably is to bring your own reusable bags. Many grocery stores now charge for plastic bags, so bringing your own is not only good for the planet but also for your wallet. Choose products with minimal packaging or packaging that can be recycled. Buying in bulk can also reduce packaging waste, and it often comes with cost savings. Mastering budget grocery shopping is not about depriving yourself, it's about making conscious choices that align with your financial goals. It's a journey of empowerment, where you take control of your spending and free up more resources for the things that truly matter. Start by implementing 1 or 2 tips at a time, and gradually incorporate more strategies as you become more comfortable. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small they may seem. Every dollar saved is a step towards financial freedom. Adapt the tips and tricks to fit your lifestyle, preferences, and circumstances. The key is to find what works best for you and make it a sustainable part of your routine. So embrace the savings challenge and start your journey towards financial freedom today.